Dozens of Palestinians have been killed after the Israeli occupation forces carried out a series of intensive raids across various areas of the Gaza Strip overnight. Palestinian local media reported that the occupation forces targeted homes and shelters in Qnews, resulting in the deaths of 4 Palestinians. Additionally, a helicopter strike hit a tent for the displaced in Deir al-Balah, killing 3 Palestinians and injuring several children. At least 19 have been killed near Beit Lahia Square overnight as the Israeli occupation forces continue their offensives on the northern Gaza Strip and Beit Lahia. Palestinian civil defense said that the situation in Beit Lahia became catastrophic, calling for the international community to stop Israeli genocide in northern Gaza Strip. Israeli occupation forces have detained at least 10 Palestinians from the West Bank during the last 24 hours. The detentions occurred across various provinces, including Ramallah, Al-Khalil and Jerusalem. The number of Palestinians detained by the occupation troops in the West Bank has surpassed 11,500 since the onset of the ongoing Israeli onslaught against Palestinians since 7th of October. Palestinian Red Crescent paramedics have reported that 7 wounded individuals were transferred to the International Committee of the Red Cross Field Hospital following an Israeli missile attack west of Rafah city. The house belonged to the Badawiel family in the Al Mawasi area west of Rafah city in the southern Gaza Strip. The medical team is continuing to manage the emergency situation amid the increasing number of wounded due to ongoing shelling. The Palestinian death toll from the ongoing Israeli military operations in the Gaza Strip has risen to 43,163. The Gaza-based health authorities said in a statement. In the past 24 hours, the Israeli occupation armies committed 5 massacres against families in the Gaza Strip, killing 102 martyrs and wounding 287. The U.S. State Department spokesperson, Matthew Miller, has said that the United States is deeply concerned by the loss of life in an Israeli attack on a residential building in northern Gaza. Miller also called the strike a horrifying incident with a horrifying result. U.S. officials reached out to the government of Israel for an explanation, Miller told reporters. He added that he could not speak to the total death toll, but was aware of reports that many of the dead were children.
We have reached out to the government of Israel to ask what happened here. We don't yet know the underlying circumstances.
Following a devastating Israeli airstrike on northern Gaza, rescue operations are underway in Beit Lahia as Palestinians search for survivors amid the destruction, with at least 93 reported dead or missing.